News just now that Purdue is in talks with the Department of Justice to potentially settle criminal and civil probes into its actions around marketing opioids. And it seems like from this report, monitoring opioid prescriptions by doctors, monitoring the general use of these drugs, but also apparently the government, according to this report, has considered charges under continuing criminal enterprise statutes, which it says are typically used to prosecute drug dealers. Now, this is evidence of the third sort of rung of the litigation that's going on for these companies. Now, we know that Purdue, according to NBC News and others, has offered $10 to $12 billion to settle with cities and states. Now, that didn't include the Department of Justice. And so it shows that these companies have more to think about than just the municipalities in the thousands of cases that they're facing there. They also have the DOJ. And so what could happen here, according to Dow Jones, is that any money that they reach in a settlement with the DOJ could dilute what goes to the cities and states. And already the states are saying 10 to 12 billion or whatever you're offering isn't enough to settle these claims against you.
Why do they think it would dilute that amount of money instead of it just being, hey, this is what the states are asking for and this is what would happen with the DOJ?
Probably because the Sackler family, which owns Purdue, and Purdue say 10 to 12 billion is all we got and all we can offer you. And what I'm hearing from people close to the negotiations is that the 10 to 12 billion is the valuation that the company is putting on the settlement offer in terms of the value of drugs, the value of sale of the company, and things like that. And people on the plaintiff side don't necessarily believe it's going to be worth that much.
The DOJ, though, is not going after Sackler family money itself, unlike the states and municipalities.
It doesn't appear that way from this report. Yeah. And some people might be kind of surprised by that because, in 2007, the DOJ reached a deal, or at least did get some executives from Purdue to plead guilty. But we've heard that, DOJ has been upset that that didn't do it. Obviously, according to them, the bad behavior continues.